Can I ask you, Taoiseach, do you think it's time that you and Fine Gael disassociated yourself from Mr. O'Brien?
In what way?
You've been very closely associated with him, not just now, but down through the years.
Well, I have no dealings with Denis O'Brien at all, and I'm not sure what you're alleging there. But be clear on this: this commission of investigation is set up by government with terms of reference, taking into account the views and the proposals of opposition parties and opposition members, in order that the allegations and the assertions and the questions that are being asked can be answered fully and completely and transparently under the direction of a commission of investigation with a High Court judge.
And you don't think that you and Fine Gael have been too close with Mr. O'Brien?
Well, what happened in the past is in the past. I'm happy to lead a government and to set out the terms of reference on behalf of the government with the Commission of Investigation to do its job. So whether it's Denis O'Brien or anybody else, the terms of reference are there for the Commission of Investigation, and I expect that they will do their job and do it fully, completely, thoroughly, adequately and very professionally.
Okay,
those concerns can be laid properly.
Sorry, Peter, the ESRI have described